Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Twilight Sparkle from Equestria Girls. Grab your marker and follow along with me. First, I'm going to start with the glasses. I'm going to make a little U, and then on top I'm just going to make two curvy lines outwards, both sides. And then we're going to make it nice and round on the inside. Bring it back like this. And now let's do the other side of the glasses, like this. From here, we're going to draw the frame. And we're going to draw the other frame. And now let's do the eyes first. So inside, I'm going to draw eyes like this. Pupils, and light reflections. Let's color the pupils in. Now from there, we're going to draw the nose. I'm just going to draw a little butter nose, and right below that a little smile reaching all the way to the glasses, the bottom lip, and then a little tongue. Now we can start on the side and we can draw the jawline. And then from the jawline I'm going to draw hair. I'm going to draw a little line out. I'm going to do it the same on this side. And then right here I'm just going to draw another piece of hair out, like this. And now I'm going to connect everything. So I'm going to make a few strands of hair, and I'm going to do the same on this side as well. Now right above here, you're going to draw a little ear. And then we can just draw a piece of the glasses here as well. I'm not going to draw ear on the other side. Then right above, you're going to draw hair. I'm going to draw a little hook like this, and then from the glasses I'm just going to connect the hook. There we go. And then right on top, look, I'm drawing the hair, and I'm going to connect it to the glasses. And on this side I'll draw hair, and I'm going to bring it down to the ear as well. Now we're just going to draw a few little lines for the different colors of hair. She's got pink and purple in her hair, and on this side I'm just going to draw a little line down, and maybe a line like that as well. Now we're going to start with the body. So I'm going to draw a neck, I'm going to draw a collar, and a little bow. She's got a little bow. You're going to draw the collar here, on this side as well, a little collar, and now I'm just going to draw a bow. Now I'm going to start with the torso. I'm going to bring two lines out, not exactly the same, and then I'm just going to connect it. And then from there I'm going to do the dress. So you're just going to make sort of a bell shape, and then you can just make the dress. I'm just going to make a few little lines, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to connect this. Connect it right there in the middle, and connect it there as well. And I'm just going to draw a little star shape right there. Now we can go back to the shoulders. So I'm going to draw a little shoulder here, and I'm going to draw another shoulder like that. I'm going to make a little line for a sleeve, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing as well. Now let's draw the arm. I'm going to draw a little hook coming back to the dress. So there's the first arm. And on this side, this arm is going to be behind her body. It's going to go out like this. And right here, I'm just going to draw her fingers sticking out. There we go, there's a hand sticking out there. And now we can go back to the hair. So I'm going to finish up with the hair. On this side I'm just going to draw a little piece of hair sticking out. Bring it back there. And maybe let's make a beautiful long hair hanging out here on the side. Now we can do the same on this side as well. So I'm going to start here on top, make it a nice curve down, and then from this side maybe a little hook there, bring it down, and then I'm just going to draw a few lines down because she's got different color hair. There we go, and maybe there as well. Now we can draw her legs. I'm going to draw the top leg first. And I'm going to make it round like that. And I'm going to try to copy it about the same on this side as well. Now for her boot. I'm going to make two little circles. There's one, and this one can go behind that one. And a little top part of the boot. Bring it back. And now I'm going to draw the boot. So I'm going to draw it like the toes are sticking inwards. And I'll just connect it like that. And on this side I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to try to copy it roughly the same. Bring it all the way up. And then there's a little, it's two diamond shapes. I'm going to make two diamond shapes on her boot, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing. A little zigzag line going like this, and then just two little lines sticking out like this. Some picture on a boot. And there we go, there's Twilight Sparkle. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. And I'm sure Twilight Sparkle will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.